Today is Sunday, April 15, 2018. I've been gardening today and all of this week, and I've been discovering a lot of debris positioned in unusual places, pointing towards shrubs, trees, vines, flowers, and stuck up into the ground in between the roots. And this is just a very small sample of what has been stuck in between the trees, the plants, the shrubs. Some of them are quite sharp. You can see here. This isn't anything that grows in my yard that I'm aware of. They could be pulling the twigs off of what I have here. But I believe that they're poisoning the trees because the leaves are turning brown with spots all over them. They're prematurely falling off as if they've been poisoned. And again, this is just a small sample. Mind you, I'm a gardener. I'm out here every day gardening. And I don't place garbage underneath the foliage. But this is everything that was underneath foliage close to the root system. And I've discovered a bunch of this stuff as well. This is periodically placed all around the yard. This appears to some kind of bud that I don't grow in my yard, and some kind of coiled string or something, again, that I don't grow in the yard. I looked it up online, and in Freemasonry, they use divination and occult symbols to place curses on individuals, and the letter Y is one of them. And the letter Y is etched in all of my furniture, as well as the crescent moon and triangles that look like an A, the eye, the evil eye. But here's the Y's, and these were propped up in the ground around some of the plants, and positioned in a way as if it were targeting the individual plant that is progressively dying. Here you go. You can see that and that. I believe that they sometimes fashion these from the trees in the yard, but I had a fall cleanup and a spring cleanup and mulch spread all around the yard, and I have debris in the yard that is being done to the property on a nightly basis. And I'm signing off, and I'm going to bless all of the targeted people out there and stay safe from these satanic Luciferian animals. They want to destroy all living things, people, animals, trees, the world. But what they don't understand is that karma is trailing them with everything they do to me, to you, to the world, to the trees, to the animals. They are going to suffer in a way that they have no idea what's coming to them. And the targeted people are the chosen ones, because we are going to fix the world. They know we're strong, and that's why they want to annihilate us. But we are going to expose them for who they really are. Immature, psychopaths, pathological narcissists, amoral, unethical, Satanists, and they are evil, greedy, evil people.